Grace decided he wanted to try one of the cayenne peppers. Go ahead. Is it hot? Whew.
Pretty hot. Yeah, it's hot.
You better get a drink. Hot? Yeah. Get a drink. My dad always likes me to make a pot of the cobs of corn that didn't quite get filled out perfectly. He calls them nubbins. He always wants me to go boil them for a bit without salt and butter. Send them outside while we're finishing up the corn for our snack. Chickens are enjoying a treat, chasing down some worms, some kernels of corn. Yummy summertime treat. For pest control on the corn, I usually do wait till the silk is turning slightly brown and drop a couple drops of mineral oil down in the cob. And it does seem to help. This batch did really well. I don't know. We planted 2 batches of corn this year. An earlier one that we harvested maybe the beginning of July. No, let's see. Maybe mid-June. Then I planted these. I guess it was July we harvested our first batch of corn, and I had these planted where I had my potatoes in the spring. So I probably planted this batch mid-June. And I don't know if it was the timing or not or what, but the pest damage wasn't near as bad as the earlier batch of corn. This is the first time I ever planted 2 batches of corn. It worked out pretty well. What are you doing?
I'm doing this.
What is that?
Popcorn?
Popcorn. You've done a lot of popcorn, huh? Are your fingers sore yet?
Mm-hmm.
No? Have you dropped a whole lot on the floor?
Mm-hmm.
Has Mama dropped more or you dropped more?